Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Discord game SDK DLL error. Now, if you're facing this error, quick one, come to your start or the search bar here. Then go ahead and search for settings. Now go ahead and open up your settings. After that, you'll need to look for system settings over here. Now the system settings, you then go ahead and scroll down. Now you have to check out something. Now, first of all, first come to the battery itself and make sure the battery saver is turned off. After that, come to privacy and security. Now, this is the final step. Choose Windows Security. Now, in most cases, this error may be caused because of a virus threat that is automatically running in your PC. Now, quick one, just run a quick virus scan like this and then wait for it to finish up. Once there are any errors, just go ahead and click on resolve, and then after resolving it, go ahead and close the windows and then open up the game again. And that's a quick fix for this. Thanks for watching, guys. We shall meet